Meeberg is a 100% family-owned company with more than 35 years of experience in worldwide sales, lease, modification, refurbishment, maintenance, and logistics of ISO tanks, and is leveraging the strength of family-based ownership to create long-term relationships with their clients, suppliers, partners, and employees. As one of Europe's largest suppliers of new and refurbished ISO tanks and containers, Meeberg can always offer you the right equipment for your bulk liquid projects. Besides tanks for food and chemical liquids, we can also offer bitumen tanks and boxes. Our main depot is located in Breda, the Netherlands, between two of the largest seaports in the world, Rotterdam and Antwerp. Here, we can offer all kinds of value-added services, like repairs, modifications, and customizations. Meeberg is specialized in offering custom-made or modified tank containers. With our own design team and experienced technical staff, we intend to find the perfect solution for every project. From the first sketch up till the delivery of the finished product, Meeberg is committed to providing quality products and services for every customer. We can offer all kinds of ISO tanks in different sizes, capacities, and conditions, like swap bodies, bitumen tanks, new build ISO tanks, bitumen boxes, and refurbished ISO tanks. Whether you want to buy, lease, or just need advice, we are your worldwide partner in ISO tanks and containers. Our global team of experts is always ready to help.